Welcome back to St. Peter Claver Catholic Church. We have been preparing for your return. In order to make this transition as smooth as possible, we have created an instructional aid to assist everyone. This instructional aid, titled COVID-19 Return to Mass Training, is an online training for parishioners to review. Let's get started. What you should know about COVID-19 and how to protect yourself and others. According to the CDC, or the Centers for Disease Control, coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, is an illness caused by a virus that can spread from person to person. The virus that causes COVID-19 is a new coronavirus that has spread throughout the world. COVID-19 symptoms can range from mild or no symptoms to severe illness. You can become infected by coming into close contact, about 6 feet or 2 arm lengths, with a person who has COVID-19. COVID-19 is primarily spread from person to person. You can become infected from respiratory droplets when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks. According to the CDC, there is currently no vaccine to protect against COVID-19. The best way to protect yourself is to avoid being exposed to the virus that causes COVID-19. This can be done by staying at home as much as possible and avoid close contact with others. The CDC recommends practicing social distancing. Buying groceries and medicine, going to the doctor, and completing banking activities online when possible is suggested. If you must go in person, stay at least 6 feet away from others and disinfect items you must touch. To prevent the spread of COVID-19 if you're sick, avoid public transportation, ride sharing, or taxis. Stay at home if you're sick, except to get medical care. Separate yourself from other people and pets in your home. Know your risk for the severe illness. Everyone is at risk for getting COVID-19. Older adults and people of any age who have serious underlying medical conditions may be at a higher risk for more severe illness. For more information on COVID-19, visit the CDC website at www.cdc.gov/coronavirus. Thank you for taking the time to view this video.